for the working, and time, time is for remembering him. And divine descended to take him. So please, hold the day. For when you will remember, you will sit in the meditation. It means that you are remembering him. So sometimes the attachment will come and you will begin to remember him very much. And Babu said, remember me with love. And it is said, the love is God. So if you came here, I hope that you will begin to sit in the meditation once. And there is no bondage of time. You can sit any time when you have no work. But sit in the meditation must. Try to sit in meditation, because what is the meaning of meditation? That we are inviting, we are not inviting, but want to meet our Babuji Maharaj who descended for me. So try to sit in the meditation, and sitting, the meaning of sitting is very nice. That I can learn from this word, sitting. Sit in him. We are living in our body. We are always living in my body. And the demand of the heart and demand of the nature is this, that he is living in me. He is living in me, and I am serving. This body he is taking the work from this. He is the master of this body. So you will see that in your house, peace and love will increase. And try to sit anytime. When you have the time, anytime. But sit in between. Because so great personality descended to take us. He said, I descended to take you and to give you the highest love and highest thing. When he has the thing for us, we should try to take all the things, but through the love. And when you will sit every day, then the remembrance will begin. Whenever you forget the remember in the sitting, to sit in the sitting, then whole the day the thought will come, oh, today I cannot sit in meditation. So please, you came, and may Babuji Maharaj bless you the spirituality, because he is the master, he is the God, and he himself is descended, that people forget him. And now we should make ourselves to go with him, to go with the love and with the remembrance for him. So we are living for the remembrance and the work which is given by him. Do your work and love your children, love your family members, and do your duty. But remember him once, that he is mine, which is given by Babuji Maharaj in you. So that when you will try like this, then the blessings of Babuji Maharaj, the power of Babuji Maharaj will begin to spread in your whole system. So Babaji said, when you sit in meditation, then try to live in that feeling so that can be spread all the Babaji place, all the vessels. I asked who was devotee of Rama. You are feeling, can you remember Ram? You are feeling now that Ram is there as before. He said no. Then I said, you know the reason? He said, no, sister, you can tell me. I said, that time we descended to take the word in their hand, in their heart. But nowadays, this is the view of our Sri Babuji Maharaj. If you will remember him, you will feel that he is there. And he is now, the world is in his hand, in the Holy. So he said, third day he came, only to tell me that you are telling very true. Your time is of Babuji Maharaj. Maybe he is not seeing. Maybe if Abhyasi is bad and he will start the meditation, then it seems that transmission will begin to make him good. So many I have seen that they were not so good person, but they began to be good person. And after Babu Maharaj, they will begin to be spiritual person. Work is go, work is now, work not, but love. It's in the very near. Sometimes I feel that here he is, here and here. I begin to search that where is he? Because he is, sometimes it seems that he comes before us. And this is his love. So I say, tell to all the people, today love Babuji Maharaj as you can do. Then you will see the result. Because in the heart of people, there is a limited love. Attachment is more than love. So, the love, attachment is duty, is the completely doing the duty of the physical of the worldly. But the love of Babuji Maharaj is increasing automatically to make the Abhyasi or anyone to make Abhyasi as they can be like a joint the spirituality. The spiritual person are made nowadays. And so, this is said, after Kalyug, the Satyug will come. So this is the way. As Babaji said, divine is in you. There is no temple, nothing. Divine is in you. Then the time will come when we will begin to feel the divine everywhere. So there will be no necessity for a temple for them.
For Abhyas is to remember that, isn't it?
Eh?
If the temple is not there, people must be in a position to know about these facts, isn't it?
My hearing is less.
Abhyasis must know
Ah.
that there is such a thing as this transmission, Babaji, going up higher. How will they know?
Yes.
If the temple is there,
Ah.
then they know there is God, so they will go and try till they are advanced. If there is a sort of an awakening here,
Yes.
then he will think. Then who is to do that?
One, the Abhyasi and Mrs. were going to Tirupati, in the temple. So I said that this is written, that Mandir is the Lord's heart, and in which he is living, he himself is living. He is built the Mandir and he is living. So, if you are going there, if you will sit and feel that in your heart divine is there, then you will forget to go to anything. And when the lady begin to do, after 3 days, he said, the sister, you are telling very true. Now, I am not feeling that I should go to the temple. And by mouth, whole people will say, Man Mandir. Man is the temple where divine is living. And he himself makes the mandir, and he himself makes the murti, and then take this and begin to worship. This is made by the person. We forget. And this temple is made by him as he liked. He is living in it. But when you begin to research, he will come before you. You have not go to Shadapur, not go to anywhere. Because if you search, he will be there. And I feel very sorry one thing more. Then I was sitting, my colleague went there in the temple and I was sitting. So that Pujari, some very big, not the rich person. The rich family came and he gave 20,000 money in the murti. And one was sitting there and he has nothing. He only 2 rupees gave. So the Pujari gave the good prasad to that rich person and only batasha, only to this side, to that only to what is it?
So, that is material life, right? But the Abhyasi must get that sort of an inspiration here. Some, that awakening must be there.
Yes.
Somebody must do it.
But now the awakening is given by the divine personality.
Yes.
Because if you will tell about Babuji Maharaj to others, they will understand very soon. But before they will accept, but not by heart. So change is coming. That your heart is not going. So this is the reality that this time, Babuji Maharaj, he is the, you can say that the divine of this time. When she came out from the temple, she said, first when we were coming into the temple, we feel very happy, and it seems that the God is there. But this time, I am not feeling this. Then what is, I can't know the reason. I said that you are going and you are remembering. The God is in the Murti. And now, God came out to take us to the highest. So, I join my dear God who came out for us to take to that. Then this became a very wonder. But this is very correct. He came, who descended? I means nothing. Because today this is I. And last Janma, who was I? And next Janma, who will I? So, the I-ness, change the I-ness and take the Babuji Maharaj in the place of I. I is nothing, Babuji Maharaj is God.